Good morning, gang, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming at you fresh-faced and makeup free because I'm about to leave to have a cosmetic procedure done that I've never had done before. And I don't know much about how it works, to be honest. I booked this on a whim because I wanted to do something for myself that felt good. If you're a regular around these parts, you'll know that I'm trying really hard to lose weight. Well, really hard. I'm trying in my mind to lose weight. I haven't really actioned much to make it happen. If you're new here, hi, welcome. Please subscribe to my channel for bi-weekly doses of self-deprecating humor. So for the last 2 weeks, I've been massively failing at that weight loss goal. Like giving in to every single craving, kind of failing at that goal. So instead, while this phase runs its course, I decided to pick a part of my body that I actually like right now and treat it well. And that's my eyes. Weird side note, which is actually relevant, so stick with me here. I have a condition called trichotillomania, more commonly known as the hair pulling disorder, or that's what Google told me anyway. So this is a nervous tic or bad habit where you twist and pull at either your hair, your eyebrows, or your eyelashes when you're feeling nervous or anxious. And you mostly do it when you don't even realize you're doing it, so it's hard to prevent the negative effects on your body. I don't do it so much with my hair, but I definitely pull at my eyebrows and my eyelashes when I'm nervous or anxious or fidgety or what have you. I don't know if you can see, maybe if I come closer to the camera, but my eyebrows are very thin, especially towards the ends. And that's not done on purpose by me plucking them with tweezers. It's done unconsciously from this pulling habit. And I do it to my eyelashes too, especially when I'm wearing mascara and I can feel the makeup on my face. I find it very annoying. So in an attempt to prevent any more instances of having bald spots along my lash lines, I'm getting eyelash extensions today. That way, I don't have to wear mascara and I will still have nicely framed eyes and bold lashes for up to a month. Let's get into it. Okay, so it's just gone 7:30, 7:26, and I have to get ready and head out for my appointment. So when I get back, you'll see the after results of my eyelash extensions. See you in a bit. Hey guys, so I am back from my appointment and I'm so happy with the results. Here, I want to show you, but I have to get to the daylight. Please excuse my super messy apartment. So here we go. This is a close-up. Side profile of the lash extensions. She had a really great idea and plan about it where you go smaller than bigger to start just because you're dipping your toe in the water of this new procedure and you're not sure how you're gonna like it or how it's gonna wear. So I totally trusted her judgment, and to be honest, I am really happy because they look so natural. Like it just looks like I'm wearing mascara and have great lashes. So yeah, totally positive experience, and we'll definitely be going back and getting the refills and keeping up my lashes this way. And yeah, can't recommend her enough. I will put her information in the description box below if you're in the Ottawa area and want to get lashes with Mandy. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm kind of thinking about doing a follow-up to this video about other cosmetic and aesthetic procedures that I'm thinking of having done or have had done in the past. And if you want to discuss those, let me know in the comments below and I will do a video about like lip injections and liposuction and breast lifts and eye lifts and brow lifts and all of that and get into all that good stuff. Okay, thanks guys. Have a great week. Bye.